Now the next is Rani's diary. There is a girl named Rani who is telling about her sister. Come, let's go to see my new baby sister. She's telling her friends to come and see her new baby sister. Ma, I have brought some sweets for Munya. She's telling to her mother that she has brought some sweets for her baby sister. But mother says, but she can't eat, she is too small. Her mother is saying that she cannot eat. Why? Because she is a very small baby right now. And she doesn't even talk. Munya added that yes, she can't eat, but even she cannot talk. Mother explains her, she will start doing all this as she grows up. She is telling what? She is telling to Munya, making her understand that she will do everything, but slowly as she grow up. Now, in this we all know that our 1 year has 12 months. That is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. I will note down in my diary when she first starts talking, eating and walking. Here Rani is saying that she wants to note down all the activities that Rani did for the first time. In the pages over here, the dates are given and with them the activities that Rani did for the first time are mentioned by Rani. So, let us start with the first question. Mark this in the correct order on Munya's timeline. Okay, here timeline means you have to write everything according to the dates and months in order. So, while writing in order, first we get 5th March, then we get 15th of September 2005, then we write 10 November 2005, 20 November 2005, 5th September 2005, January 2006 and then February 2006. In order we are writing the dates. Now we have written the dates in order. Now we write the activities performed by her in the below line. Second question. Munya got her first tooth in September. How many old was she then? How many months have passed from March to September? So when we count from March to September, we get the answer 6 months. Start counting April, May, June, July, August, September. That is 6 months. How old was Munya when she first set up? Look in the diary pages given. When did she first set up? It is given Munya stood up on 5th January. So we are supposed to be counting from where? From the date of born. So we are counting from March till January. So we get the answer 8 months. Next, B. She got her first tooth. When did she get her first tooth? We can see over here she got her first tooth in September. So we are going to count from the birth month March to September. We get 6 months. Now we are counting over here 1 month less from the total number of months. What did she do first? Walking or eating a banana? Look in the pages. Which activity is done first? Look on the dates of the activity. Walking is done on 2nd February and eating a banana is done on 5th September 2005. So here there is a mistake. The answer is eating a banana. Sorry, no mistake. Walking is your answer. Eating a banana is your answer, not walking. In the second one, crawling or standing. Crawling is done in 20 November 2005 and standing she first stood up on January 2006. So what comes first, 2005 or 2006? So 2005 comes first. So we select crawling. Next, Rani had a pet puppy. After 2 weeks, it opened its eyes. She watched it grow like this. After 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. Okay, again, like her sister Munia, she had a pet puppy. Okay, now she has noticed all the different things that happened to the puppy as it was growing up. After 2 weeks, it opened its eyes. She watched it grow like this. Okay, what was the first thing that happened? After 2 weeks of the puppy born, it opened its eyes. Then after 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. She noticed that when the puppy became of 3 weeks, it got the first teeth and it started eating. After 4 weeks, it started walking around but was still wobbling. When the puppy became of 4 weeks, Rani has observed that it started walking but it was wobbling. What do you mean by wobbling? Wobbling means to not walk straight. You fall down, you stand up, you try to learn. That is wobbling. It had a full set of teeth by the time it was 7 months old. Okay, by the time the dog was 7 months old, it got completely all sets of teeth. After 1 year, it was a full grown dog and got its own puppy. When the puppy became of 1 year, it was a fully grown dog. And what happened? He got its own puppy. Now make a timeline of this dog life in your notebook. This is the same timeline as we understand of Munia's. Similarly, here also we have to do the same thing. Now, note the difference between Munia and Rani's puppies. Here they are given table, position, Munia's age and puppy's age. First is saying started walking. Okay, when did first Munia start walking? So we understand that Munia started walking. Looking at the pages on page number 43, we can say Munia started walking in February. So we are going to count from March 2005, from the day when she was born, to February 2006. So when I count, I get 12 months, but we have to count 1 month less, so we are writing 11 months. When did the puppy started walking? So we can look over here in the picture itself. It is given after 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, it started walking. So here 4 weeks means 1 month. But it is mentioned after 1 month. So we have to write after over here. Food for the first time. Okay. When looking for Munia, we will go to the previous page again. And when did she eat for the first time? So counting that, we get 6 months as our answer. And eat for the first time for the puppy, we get after 3 weeks, because it is clearly mentioned over here. After 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. Got first tooth. When did Munia get the first tooth? We have seen that she was born in March and she got her first tooth in September. So there are 7 months in between. So we are counting 1 month less. So 6 months is our answer. And for the dog, it is after 3 weeks. Next question. Find out. Do all the animals grow at the same speed? Definitely the answer is no. Why? Because if we compare from the very basic animals and human beings, we can understand that animals grow quickly. Human being doesn't grow quickly. Why? We doesn't grow like today we are of 3 days and next month we are of fully grown child. No, we take years and years to grow from a infant, from a small child to a full grown man or woman. Discuss about the growth of hen. We all know hen lays eggs, it hatches, then it slowly grows. Cow gives birth to. Birds also give eggs, eggs hatches, the baby grows and it starts flying. Now, here are the pictures of grandfather's posing for a photograph. Who looks the oldest to you? There are 3 grandfathers given to you. Here I can say from the picture that elephant Appu's grandfather. He is the oldest among all the 3. Why? Because he is of 95 years old. So my answer is Appu's grandfather. Now next question. How much older is Appu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? Look at the age of Appu's grandfather. He is of 95 years old and Rani's grandfather is of 70 years old. Now we want to find out how much older. So we are going to subtract. So difference in their age is 95 minus 70, that is 25 years. Will Chuchu's grandfather ever grow old as Appu's grandfather? Look at the ages first. Chuchu's grandfather is of 2 years old and Appu's grandfather is of 95 years old. Now Chuchu's grandfather at the age of 2, he is a grandfather. So if he grows, he will maximum grow to 3 years or 4 years or 10 years. He cannot reach 95 years. So the answer is no. How much younger is Chuchu's rat's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? Again we have to find out the age. Chuchu's grandfather is of 2 years and Rani's grandfather is of 70 years. So we have to subtract 70 minus 2 to 68 years. The Chuchu's grandfather is 68 years younger than Rani's grandfather. Holidays are fun. All the kids love holidays. Even the parents, even the teachers, we all enjoy our holidays. We plan out different things. We do different activities. We learn some new things. Similarly, here there is a student, there is a child whose holidays have begun. So he is writing a letter to her sister. Let us see what he is writing. Atif's holiday had begun. He was very excited. He had some wonderful plans and wanted to tell her his cousin Shabana. So he wrote her a letter. What did he do? He was excited for the plans that he had made for the vacation. So he wanted to tell to her sister. So what did he do? He wrote a letter. Dear Shabana Appa, hello. Look on the right side. The date is given Ajmer 1506. The date is given. How are you? I am fine. Appa, my holidays have started from today. I am going to my Nani's place on 5506. I will be back on 2506. My school will reopen on 3606. When does your school close? Why don't you come here? We will have great fun. Bye for now. Okay, he is writing the letter in which he is explaining what he is going to do in the vacation. He is going to his Nani's place, at what day he is going and what day he is coming back. He has written that in the letter, and he is asking her sister that when is she going to come. Shabana, who stays in Nagpur, got this letter on 6506. She wrote back to Atif. Okay, now her sister, who is staying in Nagpur, got the letter on 6th of May. Now she is replying to her brother. Dear Atif, hello. Look on the right side, brother. Dear Atif, hello. Look on the right side, Nagpur 7506. The date on which the letter was written is mentioned. I am doing well here. I got your letter yesterday. Happy holidays. My school will close on 1st June 2006. It will reopen on 10th August. I will go on a school trip to Goa and will return back on 7606. I will try to come to Ajmer after that. Bye. Shabana. What is Shabana saying? She is giving reply to all the questions asked by Atif. She is saying that my school will close on 1st June and it will reopen on 10th August, and during the vacation, where is she going? She is going on a trip to Goa. and she is mentioning that I will try to come to Ajmer after returning from Goa. Atif wrote his letter on 1st 506. You remember how we write a date in numbers? So 1506 is also written as 1 May 2006. This is part 2. We will continue in our next video.